Hello kababayan and hello YouTubers. I've been shopping around for travel insurance because I'm going to the Philippines. And I've been doing this for almost 2 days now. And I narrowed down to two companies. The two companies is called Safetywing. And then the other one is Seven Corners. Okay, let's talk about Safetywing because it seems to be a popular choice. We have two subscribers already traveled to the Philippines and they both use Safetywing. So Safetywing is a secondary insurance. So that means if you do have a primary insurance, your primary insurance will pay first and whatever's left over, Safetywing will pay after or pay the remaining. So medical coverage, including the COVID-19, if you are 64 years old and younger, your coverage is up to $250,000. If you are between 65 and 69, your coverage is up to $100,000. If you are 70 years old or older, you're not going to be covered. So to file a claim with this company, your primary insurance will pay for it first, and then the remaining, you file a claim, they'll pay for it. But if you don't have primary insurance, this one will become a primary insurance. So to file a claim, you go to their website, you file a claim within 60 days, and they're supposed to send you money to your bank account. All right, their deductible is $250. Medical evacuation, not available. Medical evacuation, what it means is, let's say you get sick in Laguna, and to transport you from Laguna to Batangas, they'll cover that cost. Okay, but for this company, they don't have that coverage. Now, I'm going to give you guys the cost of this insurance. The cost for 1 month. Ages from 10 to 39 years old, your cost is $42. From 40 to 49 years old, your cost is $68. From 50 to 59, your cost is $106. And from 60 to 69 years old, your cost is $144.76, and that's coverage for 1 month. Okay, that covers the what they call the travel insurance, including the COVID-19. Now, the second company that I was looking at is called Seven Corners Travel Insurance, and they offer a package called ROUNDTRIP Basic. It's a secondary, and for medical coverage, including the COVID-19, for a 50-year-old is $100,000. For a 75-year-old is $100,000. When you get sick with COVID, you'll pay first, and then they'll reimburse you. That's how they work. So being this as a secondary, my insurance will pay first, and the remaining, Seven Corners will pay the remaining bills. But I pay for it first, and then they'll reimburse. Okay, this is a company that reimburses only. They don't have any deductible. In the medical evacuation, so you get sick in Laguna, to transport you to Batangas, their coverage is, if you're 50 years old, is $1 million. If you're 75, the coverage is $250,000. All right, so the coverage for the medical evacuation, as you get older, the coverage decreases. All right, of course, now you want to know the cost. The cost for a 50-year-old, 50, is $25 a month. The cost for a 75-year-old is $55 a month. And I believe if you ask for 80-year-old or 85 years old, I think they cover it. Because I couldn't find in their website that they don't cover anybody that is older than 70 years old. So it looks like they do cover. Okay, so we do have, I'm sorry, what did I say? What I mean is, this company, I punched in the 75-year-old and they covered it. So I think they can get older if you can get a coverage for older people. So this coverage that I just mentioned right now is for 50 years old and 75 years old. For 50-year-old, $25 a month. 75-year-old, $55 a month. Now, if you have somebody older than that, you could just punch in their number and I believe they will cover it, but the price will go up or increase. Now, same company, Seven Corners Travel Insurance, their package is called ROUNDTRIP Basic, but this insurance becomes a primary insurance, meaning I have a Blue Cross, but this one is a primary, meaning they supposed to be the one taking care of your bills first before my Blue Cross. So this insurance right now, the primary, is going to cost a little bit more because now they're acting as a primary insurance rather than the secondary. All right, let's look at the primary insurance from Seven Corners Travel Insurance. And this product is, or the insurance product, they call it ROUNDTRIP Basic. ROUNDTRIP Basic Primary Insurance. All right, the medical coverage, including the COVID-19, $500,000 for 50 years old, $500,000 for 75 years old. So that's a pretty high coverage. And once again, they reimburse. You pay first, and then they reimburse. No deductible. Medical evacuation, if you're 50 years old or 75 years old, is coverage for $1 million. So if you're sick in Laguna, they have to transport you to Batangas, you're covered up to $1 million. So what is the cost? For 50-year-old, your cost is $57 a month. If you are 75 years old, your cost is $100. So it's a little bit more pricier. Okay, so those are the two insurance that I got. Let me just recap it. The Safetywing Nomad Insurance, that's the bundle that they have. So the company is called Safetywing, and they offer an insurance called Nomad Insurance. This is a secondary insurance. The second one is, the company is called Seven Corners Travel Insurance, and they offer a package called ROUNDTRIP Basic. They have one for secondary, and they also have it for primary. And as you know, the secondary is more cheaper. So you're probably asking, like, which one would I choose? Well, I already chose one and I already paid for it. I chose Seven Corners Travel Insurance, ROUNDTRIP Basic, and I bought the secondary. And I already bought it, and it says right there on the PDF file, medical coverage including COVID-19, and it's $100,000 coverage. I have it on my PDF file. So I paid a little bit less than $25, I believe, $25. I used the credit card. So that's for 1 month. 1 month for a little bit less than $25. Not bad. And what do you call this? I'm not endorsing anything, but I already bought my insurance. And I know when I go to the airport to check in, they're going to look at my PDF file And what they're going to see is called travel insurance. And what they're going to see is medical coverage, including COVID-19, for up to $100,000. That's what they're going to see. So I am covered. So I know a lot of people out there right now are worried about the cost, because one of our subscribers purchased one in a hurry about 2 weeks ago and spent $300. The other people from UK, they spend maybe like $100. So it varies. So the average or the most common numbers I've seen is probably about $80 per person. And I'm wondering, maybe they're young, I don't know. But this one is all I need just to get on that plane. Because if they are not requiring me to get a travel insurance, I wouldn't get this. I wouldn't even get one. I never needed before. I've been traveling to the Philippines since 2016. I never needed before. I won't need it now. But I will comply because I want my seat. I want to get on that plane. I want to go back to the Philippines. So for 25 or less than 25 bucks, it's like I'm throwing away a nice Chinese dinner with a Diet Coke. That's what it sounds like to me. All right, guys. So if you guys have any question, you want to see my policy, I'll send it to you. But you got to go to that messenger. Go to my page on this YouTube. Message me on the messenger and say, Coach Fred, I don't believe you that you bought your medical insurance, your travel insurance. Then I can send you. Because when I'm doing this video, I do not edit. I do it live. I record it and I don't edit. And then I upload it. I don't edit anything. That's why anything you see from the beginning till the end, there is no edit. Everything I'm talking about is just coming out from my hip. All right, so if you guys want proof, like you don't believe me or whatever I'm saying, just message me on the messenger and I'll send you proof. Okay? Because I'm not going to recommend anything and I'm not going to be talking about anything if I haven't done it myself. All the information that you guys getting it from me, I do due diligence and I practice it myself. I travel. Let me see. Hold on, guys. Let me show you something. Sorry about that. I wasn't ready for this, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for you guys. Sorry about that. I know some of you guys there travel a lot, and you guys know the meaning of this. These stickers represent travel time in the Philippines. Every time you come back to America, they give you a sticker. I think this one started back in 2020, starting in 2020 or 2019. They give me a sticker, okay? I'm missing one sticker because there was a volcano eruption. I had to go home, check out my property and stuff. And I didn't have any luggage. I just had my backpack. So when I was boarding back to go back to US, since I don't have any luggages, they said, sir, just go straight and get your ticket. And I asked him, hey, what about the sticker? He goes, we can't give you a sticker because you don't have a luggage for us to check. So if you know what this means, you know what I'm talking about. I travel a lot. So what I'm saying is what I do, and what I do is what I say. All right, guys, so if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. If you like this video, give me a like and share it, and please subscribe. And you guys know what I do on the video is all about honesty. I'm not gonna fluff you guys. I'm not gonna tell you guys stuff that you want to hear. I'm gonna tell you guys what you need to hear. You know, not what you want to hear. Anyways, I'm just so excited because I'm all squared away and I'm ready to fly. And guys, it's only 25 bucks. I know if you're a little bit older, you might pay maybe $30, $40, $50. I don't know. I mean, it's not gonna be that much. All right, guys. So I'm happy for me, and I'm happy for you guys, because I found an insurance that would actually, what do you call this? Get you guys on a cheaper rate. Now, if you guys have been, if you guys have any question on this insurance, message me and I'll give you the link how to get there. Because I'm running out of, what do you call this, time here, because I'm going to upload soon. So you need information about the Safetywing or the Seven Corners Travel Insurance, message me and I'll message you back, and then you can go from there. All right, guys, and I'll help you all along the way. All right, guys, kababayan and YouTubers, I love you guys. Peace out.